welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm GRWM here with a hair and makeup slay. I know I said that I had an uploading schedule of Monday through Friday, and last week I only gave you guys 2 videos, but you guys, my husband has been making me tattoo him every single day. Just like, babe, I told them that I was gonna be uploading videos and here you are having me tattoo you, and but I've been having fun tattooing. If you guys are interested in my tattoo journey, be sure to subscribe because I'm going to be uploading videos showing you guys me tattooing myself, me tattooing my husband, me tattooing other people. So if you're interested in seeing that, subscribe to my channel. So this is an Aliexpress hair company, Luvin hair, 8 inches human hair lace front wig. It's got 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. I'd recommend, if you're gonna order from this company, be sure to check your messages on AliExpress. I'm actually surprised at how nice this wig actually is. Like, it's low-key nice for $60. It's 8 inches. Got a lot of work to do. Not a lot of work to do, but when it comes to styling, we've got to style this. We got to style the wig, you know? So I'm gonna just do my got to be glue method. We got our blow dryer ready, so let's just go. Am I the only one who like really has problems cutting this off? Just this side, like, right side's cool. Left side, no. So to tone this hair to this blonde color, I literally used my Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. I simply rinsed the hair, then I poured the shampoo into my hand and lathered it all over the hair. That was it. I personally like the cutting off all the lace and then applying the wig, because this method, if you really don't know what you're doing, it can go haywire really fast. Cutting the lace off with all this gel melt, oh, it's just a mess. Try it for yourself and let me know how you like it. It's literally been maybe all of 3 minutes. You know what they say about patience. You should have it. But I'm going in with the silk scarf and I'm really gonna just focus it around my edge hairline. Okay, so it's been like 5 minutes. And when taking this off, be careful because you might have your whole wig fall off. But yeah, this is what the wig is looking like. I think it's a cute length. I'm a mom and my daughter is very inquisitive right now. So the last thing I need is her, you know, pulling at my hair, you know. Okay, that's cute. Me and baby hairs, they're like hit or miss, you know? Are you guys interested in seeing like me do tattoos on myself? Because I've started my leg piece, and yeah, I'm gonna finish like my whole entire leg. But I've started my leg piece, and I've started my husband's leg piece. He's like so excited. He's been trying to catch back up with me. And quite frankly, it's really funny. Like, he's so funny. But he's been making me do them. So it's like, of course, you're gonna have more tattoos than me. I don't have time to do mine. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, because I've been doing a better job at uploading. That's kind of cute. I've been debating on if I'm gonna go back and delete all my old videos. My old videos that are completely embarrassing. Or am I gonna just keep it? Like, fuck it. You know, like, you see growth, you see the progression of GRWM. It's cute. Let me know if you play the Kim Kardashian game and you remember this hairdo. So now what we're going to do, we're gonna do our makeup. So today we're gonna do pretty much like our everyday routine. And I saw a TikTok hack and people were putting got to be glue on their brows and stuff, and I'm just like, okay, like, honestly, like, let's be real. Do you guys want to see me do a full face using TikTok makeup hacks? Because I saw it and I was like, very doable. I haven't put on makeup in so long. Today I've been with my baby girl, her daddy. My husband has been outside. He's made like a gazebo-esque thing going on. We are in the process of installing a pool and just making our backyard cool, hangoutable, you know? And I think it's awesome. So I can't wait until the backyard is finished. I feel like it's probably gonna be done sometime in the summer, like this summer it'll be realistic finished, but some of the DIY projects we do back there, I will do a tutorial or make him do the tutorial. We are trying to do a backyard makeover on the budget, but yeah, more than likely Soli's first birthday will be here. We've been kind of deciding where we're gonna do it, and quite frankly, quite frankly, I really don't know where her first birthday's gonna be. And my grandma is so sad. She lives in Florida. She's got cancer, and we're hoping and praying that she's able to come. Soli's birthday is August 7th. My grandma has 2 birthdays. It's August 9th and the 13th. Yeah, we're just hoping and praying that she's able to come. We've already booked the ticket, but we're just hoping that coronavirus allows my grandma to be here and present for my baby's first birthday. This will be her first time ever meeting Soli, and oh yeah, my baby's name is Soli if you're new to my channel. But yeah, it's gonna be my grandma's first time meeting Soli. For one, I want Soli to have a birthday party, Corona. Yeah, I really want my grandma to meet Soli Boli. Yeah, other than that, I've just been praying every night. Believe it or not, I was telling my grandma how Soli, my husband and I, this year, my husband and I have been doing a superb job at saying our prayers every single night, our Father prayer. Yeah, I was telling my grandma, and she just thought that was the cutest thing ever, that Soli likes her prayers. And my grandma was like, oh, Jasmine, you guys have to say this version of Our Father. My grandma was like, God would never lead us into temptation. I'm gonna have to link it on the screen because your girl really does not know it yet. So yeah, the new prayer, she told us to say it, and we've been saying it every night. But I hope and I pray, we've been praying every night that God truly heals the earth. And it's crazy. I recorded myself because I had a dream that I saw Jesus Christ. And I kind of kept it to myself because I didn't think, I don't know, I felt like I thought it was too much. But y'all, I saw Jesus Christ, and I feel so thankful that he appeared. Okay, let me kind of give you guys backstories about how I see dead people, or you know, people who've already passed. My best friend passed away when I was 13 years old, and for the longest time my grandma was like, my grandma is so spiritual. My grandma was like, she's gonna approach you when she's ready. And when my grandma and I went on a trip to Barcelona. We went to Spain, Madrid, South Africa, and my grandpa passed away before then. And we met this white man, and my grandma was like, Jasmine, that's grandpa. My grandma is from Jamaica, and she has the heaviest Jamaican accent. Jasmine, that's your grandpa. And I'm just like, dang, you know, that is grandpa, and he's here with us. That same night when we were in Italy, I guess he came to her, he approached her in the room, and she screamed. And when she screamed, I woke up, and I guess he went away. I got the chills right now. And she was like, Jasmine, your grandpa was just right over there. Like, she pointed at the door, and I'm just like, oh my God. Like, I gotta sit here in this room, and my grandma's talking about she done see my grandpa. And yeah, TBH, she had me spooked, but she told me that it's nothing to be afraid of. My best friend would appear to me when she was ready. She appeared to me in my dream. It's crazy because if you've ever lost someone, you know that they're gone. You know, I had a dream about my best friend who I know was passed away, and she was passed away. Like, I knew she was passed away in the dream, but she was present. She was alive and well. She was my age. Well, not my age because she was a year younger than me, but she was of age, but she passed away when I was 13. So she was 12. But yeah, she was of age. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, you know, asking her like, how is it where you are? And then I'm like, okay, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. And then when I wake up from peeing in real life and go back, she wasn't there. But whatever the case was, yeah, I had a dream of Jesus Christ. And if you want me to share that dream with you, let me know. Otherwise, I will not. I'll keep it to myself, and I will continue to be happy that I saw Jesus Christ. Pretty crazy, 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 crazy. But all in all, I hope that everything works out with this corona ordeal, and my grandma is able to meet her her great-granddaughter. You cry when a baby is born and you rejoice when someone has passed. And I'm just like, thank you for, you know, giving me that explanation. If you have a grandparents, mom, dad who's still alive, be sure to reach out to them, talk to them, call them, save their voicemails. But yeah, sometimes, you know, I used to be like, oh, grandma, I gotta go. I've just been enjoying the time, enjoying the conversations, and enjoying hearing about her childhood. And, you know, because if I don't hear from her, I'd never get it. So I'm just happy that she's still alive and well to tell me about it, you know? And she's just always in great spirits, always stressing too. And it's so funny, like, Jasmine, I had a water leak. The water leaked in the house, and oh my God, I don't know what I'm gonna do. And my furniture and this and that. And I'm just like, Grandma, just take a chill pill. Oh, I have to get my medicine. I couldn't get my medicine because I couldn't afford that. And I'm just like, oh, Grandma, okay, how much was it? You know, I just love her. Yeah, I was about to start crying, but everything's all good. After I get off of this, I'm gonna call my grandma, because I just think that this is a sign that I need to call my grandma. Yeah, I'm gonna put some bronzer at the tip of my nose. I'm gonna go put on the lashes because lashes really transform a look. I'll be right back. So this is the final look of my get ready with me hair makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know in the comment sections below if you guys want to see more get ready with me's. I'm going to go take a picture for Instagram, so go check out my Instagram if you guys want to see my OOTD. But yeah, catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like J and Beyonce.